This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an inbound Amazon FBA order. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So on Amazon Seller Central, log in, go to the menu icon in the upper left corner, click on it, and then select Inventory, and below Fulfillment by Amazon FBA, select Shipments. So find the shipment in this list of shipments, and just for your reference, I always rename my shipment so I can tell exactly which one it is just by looking at the name. If you don't do this, you might have to click around to find it. But this is the one I want to change. And basically what I discovered is I included too many items in the box. So I have to basically cancel this particular shipment and then create a new one with a smaller number of units in there. So from this particular screen, the shipment summary, you can't cancel it. What you need to do is you need to click on the linked name of the shipment, either the one that you've assigned it or the original one that Amazon gave you. So just click on that and you get taken back to the Send to Amazon screen. Scroll to the very bottom of it and then you'll see Cancel Shipments. So click on that. Now, note that it says this action will cancel all shipments in this workflow and then move them into cancel status in your shipment queue. And note also there's a time limit. So I just created the shipment about 15 minutes ago, and then I realized there was a problem. So it's giving me 24 hours total, but because I've already used up 15 minutes, it says you only have 23 hours and 46 minutes remaining. So confirm that you're going to destroy the box labels, because you cannot reuse those particular labels, including the Amazon label with the codes that enable the fulfillment center to determine what's inside, because those now have information that's no longer valid. So check that box, then click cancel shipments and charges. So I'm going to get back a little bit of money. It's only about $5 in the shipping fees, and then I have to create a brand new shipment from scratch with the correct number of units in it. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official website, click on blog or video, and I have lots more advice about navigating the wonderful world of Amazon, including the good and the bad. Thank you so much for watching.